If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Yo, what's up, everybody? Jennie and Dominic Fike. Love Hangover. Jennie's releasing music. You think she's gonna have a music video for each of the songs? That'd be kind of crazy. What's up? It's your boy Dre. Last time my video was blocked, so I did half of it. And it got blocked only in Russia, just to give you insight. And so someone gave me an idea. What if you upload one half and then upload a part 2? And I think I might do that so it won't get blocked. Either way, I'm gonna post it on Patreon for free to see the full one. But I will post half and half. So if you see this, it's probably gonna be blocked. And this is the first half, and I'll post the second half. And if it's all uploaded in one go, that's a miracle. Anyways, Jennie, Dominic, Fike, I'm very curious how this is going to sound. It's called Love Hangover. And without further ado, let's get it in 3, 2, 1. Bow. What the hell? It's a funeral? Wait, is it a funeral? Who is this guy? Got a nice mustache.
The love Jennie and I had made us both feel so alive.
Okay. Damn, Jennie.
I like to believe
Jennie dead?
I can keep Jennie alive with all our memories that made us. Us.
Huh.
Going to the drive-in.
Oh!
Fancy dinners. Or bowling competition.
Oh, wait, hold up. Are they really? Did he kill her? One second.
Dinners.
She was choking.
Or bowling competitions. Jennie! I won't let her die. Again.
What? Again?
I will try to let you go.
Oh. Wait, say that again?
I won't let her die. Again.
Again?
But I will try to let you go.
Oh, he got nice hair, bro. He got them nice glasses. Oh, she got the nice coffin, too? All right, shout out to, directed by Bradley and Pablo. Shout out to y'all. Jelly and Charles Melton. Not sure who he is. I might have to look him up. He's not really crying though. Yeah. Is there a subtitles? Oh, this one's just for Korean. Oh, it's only for Korean. Okay. Oh? What the hell? Wait, what? Why is she so nonchalant? Over. Oh my god. What? What is this fancy ass? The Love Hangover. Oh. She's choking. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Dominic. Heimlich maneuver. Amigao. Produced and bottled by. Okay, you know what? What? No. Stop it. Okay. Dang, you look good. What did she say again? Not the kiss. Ooh, girl. Girly pop. We got a problem. Oh, now you checking on your nails. Now you checking your nails. Why you sliding?
Again. Call me back, call me back, call me back. No, I'm gonna do it again. Call me back, call me back, call me back.
Each time, that's his line. Jenny! Oh, not the foot, not the shoe. Why does Jenny remind me of when Forrest Gump says, Jenny? The claymation. Hey, yeah, oh. Wait, where is she landing? Yep. Wait, what'd she say? Lost but never forgotten. Okay, wait. Wait a second. Hold up. The way he screamed Jenny so many damn times. Oh my God. Like he's trying to like save her each time. What a great feature from Dominic Fike as well. The outfits, even each time, every scene. She looks so good. Comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Again, if this split into 2 parts, you already know it's been blocked. And I can't wait for Jenny's whole album release. I can't wait to check out every song. And the fact that she got Dominic Fike on here is so dope. Again, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the music video. Link in the description down below. Go stream it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there.